everyone, this is Nancy. Today I would like to share with you 7 things that you need to do prior to board a cruise ship. So my upcoming cruise ship is coming very soon, which is next week. So prior to the cruise ship, I need to do 7 things before I can go on the cruise ship.
They never lose hope when everything's cold and the fighting's near.
It's deep in their bones, they'll run into smoke when the fire is clear.
The first thing is you have to make sure that you go online to check in. So get all the documents ready that they require to check in. And once you've complete all that requirements online, so and they will send you e-doc with all the paperwork that you can print it out and bring it with you to board a cruise ship. Once you print out the e-doc, you can also print out the luggage tag. As for myself, because I'm a VIP member this time, they send the luggage tags prior to the cruise ship, so I don't have to print it out. And I just make sure that I just have to bring it with me, so I can attach this one to my luggage, so they know which room to bring my luggage into. So the second thing you need to do is make sure that you have to schedule to have the COVID test ready, and this time they require that the negative COVID test result have to be within 2 days of the cruise ship. 2 days prior to departing the cruise ship. So basically, you have to schedule that, and the test that they require is the not the rapid one, just the PCR one. So it has to be done at the vendor itself. So make sure that you schedule that. And with that in mind, I mean, it's so hard to schedule some of the tests, because you have to fill out all the paperwork and a questionnaire before you can actually schedule that. So hopefully I did the scheduling, but now since they need it within 2 days, then I have to reschedule that to make sure that I have the negative test result, COVID test result ready within 2 days. Last time I missed the cruise ship because I didn't have the result back on time. So this time I do not want to miss it again. So I just want to make sure that I have the COVID test within 2 days prior to board a cruise ship. So the third things that you need to do is make sure that you bring all the passport with you. Either the passport or the passport card. For myself, I bring them both, because the passport, just in case that if they need the original documents, then my passport would be great. But this one is a little heavy. I can leave it in the room, but this one I can bring it with me when I go out to the different port. So it's like, this is the passport card. It's light and it's nice and neat. Listen, so basically, I have both, and then bring them both. The 4 things you need to do is to bring the vaccination card with you. And if you are 5 or older, you have to be fully vaccinated within 2 weeks prior to the cruise ship, boarding the cruise ship. So basically, don't forget this one. They really need it at the check-in of the cruise ship. So number five you need to do is make sure that you bring the credit card with you, so that way at the check-in you can pay for certain things that you use on board while you on the cruise ship itself. So you pay for that. And also, it's nice if you want to use the credit card for cash advance. Sometimes you run out of cash, and credit card is the nice way to get some cash advance, so that way you can enjoy your cruise ship. So number six, make sure that you have enough cash for tip. So I normally bring a lot of dollars bills and also $5 bills to tips the people there at the bar or at the dinner tables. So basically, I don't eat at one place like other people. I actually change I actually change restaurant every single day, so that way, you know, I just leave the tip for them. So make sure that you bring enough cash. And number seven, don't forget to bring your camcorder, your underwater camera. So this time we will go to Belize and Aruba, and they are, you know, these islands have so many beautiful beaches and also underwater activities like snorkeling or scuba diving. So underwater camera is great to capture all the tropical fish and also, you know, capture the moments that you swim around with the fish. Last time I missed it because I didn't know how to use it, but this time, you know, I had to make sure that I know how to use it so I can capture all the beautiful activities underwater activities, like, you know, swim with the fish and also, you know, swimming by underwater. So those are the 7 things that really needed to bring it with you, or you should bring it with you. So thank you so much for watching. If you like my video, please subscribe, thumb up, leave a comment, and enjoy. Hopefully, you know, one day we will see each other, you know, bump into each other on the cruise ship. I really love to cruise around and also, you know, stay at different resorts. So I would like to, you know, always want to capture the beautiful moments and share my experience with you guys, as well as my families and friends. Thank you, and I will see you later. Bye bye.